I'm Tysen Knight, an artist from Palm Springs. I love to make art about where I live. I haven't always lived here, but the beautiful mountains, diversity, and laid-back creative vibe align perfectly with my artistic vibration. I feel I was brought here by destiny. In Palm Springs, there is a famous style of architecture, and I want to take you around town to tell you all about it. It can be a lot of fun to learn about new kinds of houses, especially older ones. I'm sure you've seen houses that look like this and this. Today, we're going to talk about mid-century modern designs. What does that term mean? Mid comes from the word middle. Century means 100 years. Modern comes from an art style that simplifies older designs. What makes a house look like mid-century modern? Well, they use basic shapes as parts, have big windows to let in sunlight, use materials from nature like wood and stone, and have pops of color. This means a bold, bright color in one small area, like a front red door. You've been given some important blueprints in your box, just like a real architect. Use them to build a plan for your home. Remember, there are no wrong choices, so trust yourself and make a confident choice about how to place your shapes, windows, doors, and beyond. Don't forget the details. Make your house a place you will want to hang out in. Mid-century modern houses in Palm Springs are often designed with pools, cacti, and fun decorations. When you're all finished with the magnet making, design, and decorating your own box for fun, this will be a special place where you can keep all your items in one place. Come back to your box and create new combinations anytime. As for me, well, I can't wait to see what you create.